In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image background in OpenArt. We'll walk through the exact workflow from the homepage to generating a new background, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so you get great results the first time. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Move your mouse over the image section to reveal the editing options. When you see the editing tools appear, click Edit Image to open the image editor. Inside the editor, upload the photo whose background you want to change. You can drag and drop your file or use the Upload button. Either way, give it a moment to load so you can see a full preview. At the top of the editor panel, switch to the Background section. This is where all the background tools live. Click Change Background to enter the background replacement mode. You'll notice a text box where you can describe the background you want. Type a clear prompt that captures the look and details you're aiming for, like soft studio backdrop in light gray, lush tropical garden with bright daylight, or minimal white room with subtle shadows. The more specific you are about mood, lighting, colors, and setting, the closer the results will match your vision. Next, open Advanced Setting. Here, you can choose whether to match the original image style. Turn this on if you want the new background to blend closely with the subject's lighting and aesthetic. Turn it off if you're intentionally going for a different vibe or a stylized look. If you're unsure, try enabling it for more natural composites. Decide how many images you want to generate. Generating multiple variations helps you compare different looks side by side. Keep in mind that each image costs credits, so set the number according to your budget. If you're experimenting, start with a smaller count, review the outcomes, and then generate more once you've dialed in your prompt. When everything is set, your prompt, style preference, and image count, click Create. The system will process your request. This may take a moment, depending on the number of images you selected. You'll see the generated results appear as they finish. If a result is close but not perfect, refine your prompt wording or toggle the style matching and try again with a few more variations. That's it. You've changed the background of your image using OpenArt, from upload to final generation. Follow these steps